transportation, transportation, transportation. Involve, involve, involve. Important, important, important. Material, material, material. Physical, physical, physical. Osmosis, osmosis, osmosis. Process, process, process. Movement, movement, movement.
Hi there, welcome to a new day and a new video. If you're seeing me for the first time, we are on a 31 days reading journey. In case you're seeing me for the first time, this is what we do here. Actually, right here we learn how to read, write and speak. It's all about English language. So if you're seeing me for the first time, you're so welcome, and please don't make it your last. If you like what we do here, you can actually join this family simply by subscribing, and when you do, don't forget to turn on your notification button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So if you're just joining us, you can actually watch from day one till date, so you can actually know what we have been up to. Okay, you can actually know where we started and where we are at the moment, right? And if you're my returning subscriber, you're so welcome to yet another day and another video. Thank you for stopping by today. So without wasting much of our time, let's go right into the lesson.
Diffusion, diffusion, diffusion. Solute, solute, solute. Molecule, molecule, molecule. Liquid, liquid, liquid. Region, region, region. Concentration, concentration, concentration. Distributed, distributed, distributed. Until, until, until.
Crystal, crystal, crystal. Potassium, potassium, potassium. Permanganate, permanganate, permanganate. Baker, baker, baker. Water, water, water. Dissolve, dissolve, dissolve. Gradually, gradually, gradually. Diffuse, diffuse, diffuse. Smell, smell, smell. Evaporate, evaporate, evaporate. Eventually, eventually, eventually. Laboratory, laboratory, laboratory. Bottle, bottle, bottle. Corner, corner, corner. Colors, colors, loss. Colors, lower, lower, lower. Spread, spread, spread. Ammonia, ammonia, ammonia. Osmosis, osmosis, osmosis. Solvent, solvent, solvent. Weaker, weaker, weaker. Solution, solution, solution. Strong, strong, strong. Higher, higher, higher. Permeable, permeable, permeable. Membrane, membrane, membrane. Distributed, distributed, distributed.
So here are the 2, 3, and 4 letter words we are likely going to see on today's comprehension. So let's read together. Of, is, or, to, if, by. Again, of, is, or, to, if, by. And to 3 letter words we have a, all, few, a, the, two, and one. Again, a, all, few, a, the, two, and one. And 4 letter words we have from, they, even, drop, part, room, move, from, semi, area. Again, from, they, even, drop, part, room, move, from, semi, area. So this is the outcome of our today's word pronunciation. The topic for today's comprehension is transportation of materials. Transportation of materials. Transportation of materials involve 2 important physical processes, namely diffusion and osmosis. Diffusion is the movement of solid or liquid molecules or water or gases from a region of higher concentration to a region of low concentration until they are evenly distributed. If a few crystals of potassium permanganate are dropped into a beaker of water, they dissolve and the molecules gradually diffuse. all parts of the water. The pink color spread out from the crystal. If a few crystals of potassium permanganate are dropped into a beaker of water, they dissolve and the molecules gradually diffuse to all parts of the water. The pink color spread out from the crystal. If a bottle of ammonia is opened in one corner of a laboratory, the molecules evaporate into the air. Eventually, they diffuse and smell all parts of the room. If a bottle of ammonia is opened in one corner of a laboratory, the molecules evaporate into the air. Eventually, they diffuse and smell in all parts of the room. Osmosis is the process by which water molecules or solvents move from area or region of weaker solutions or lower concentration to the region of stronger solution or higher concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Osmosis is the process by which water molecules or solvents move from area or region of weaker solutions or lower concentration to the region of stronger solution or higher concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Permeable membrane is one which allows the passage of solvent but not of solute molecules. Permeable membrane is one which allows the passage of solvent but not of solute molecules.
Okay, so here is we're going to be drawing the curtain for today's lesson, and I believe we actually gained one or two. Alright, keep staying safe and bye for now.